Okay, friend, now you know one of the main things I do to build my business. I make simple pieces of content and put them on social media so people can find me. But what happens when somebody sees one of those videos and says, okay, Paula, I'm interested. I want to know more. Do I have to stop what I'm doing and explain this entire business to every single person? No, thank goodness. And this is where having an automated system completely changed how I looked at building a business from home. Let me show you how simple this is. Let's go back to our whiteboard. Remember our big picture? So, content, system, customer. In part 2, we talked about this, right? The content. Somebody sees it, and some of those people want more information. Now we're moving right here to the system. Let me get my marker out. This is the next piece of the puzzle, right? The system. Okay. So let's break down what happens. Okay. Now I make videos, right? So here are my short videos. When I make those videos, if somebody says, hey, I want more info, I say, great, my website or my profile. And then they're actually going to have to take this action. They are going to drop their email. Why? Because they want to get the info. And that action right there kickstarts my 24-hour automated system. Okay. Now they're going to get an immediate video, very short video. While they're watching that video, the blueprint is being delivered. Now that blueprint is probably going to go to the promo or the junk folder. Now, if it goes there, just move it out of there. Just go move to inbox or respond back and say, hey, Paula, I got it. Okay. Now, then you're going to be on a short little trip with me. And let me give you a stat. Everybody loves stats. The average is this: 1 out of 20 that drop their email get started. That is pretty awesome. I'm going to tell you what that meant for me. My very first customer came through this automated system at 4:00 in the morning on a Sunday morning. And this mama woke up, picked up her phone, and saw $900. That was my first customer, very, 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 very first sale. And let me tell you what I did not do. I wasn't in DMs. I wasn't chasing. I don't bug family and friends. We are not cold calling, warm calling, hot calling. None of that nonsense. He came through the system that we all get, this automated system. So he was able to see the video, get the information, okay, dropped his email, saw a quick video, grabbed the blueprint, looked at that, got all his questions answered, and then boom, I woke up to a customer. That's automation. It doesn't mean the business runs itself. I still have work to do. Remember part 2? I still create, I still post, I still respond, and I learn. But I don't have to personally do every single repeatable thing over and over again. So why does that matter? Because I needed a way to have time. I needed time to homeschool my kids. And this is one of the pieces that helps make that possible. So think about it. If somebody finds one of my videos at 10:30 tonight, I don't have to be sitting there waiting for them. If they ask for information while I'm homeschooling, the system can deliver it. And here's something even cooler, okay? I've had sales while I'm sleeping multiple times, sales while cutting the grass, sales while just living life and spending time with my family. That's why automation matters to me. It's not about some fancy piece of technology. It's about not having to be personally available every minute for my business to keep moving. And I want you to picture what that could mean in your life. Maybe it's Tuesday afternoon and your grandchild has something at school. You go. Maybe you want to spend a week visiting your kids. You go. Maybe your husband says, let's get out of here for the weekend. You don't have to ask a boss for Friday off. Or maybe you simply want to sit on your porch in the morning with your coffee. One of my favorite things, slow mornings and coffee, instead of rushing out the door. Now, how about having a business that could fit around your life instead of having to fit your life around the way you make money? And having a system doing some of that repeatable work is a big piece of that. But how does this turn into money? Now, we've covered two pieces: content, system. Okay. And the next one is the customer, right? There's still one big question sitting here. What are they actually buying? Because somebody giving you their email doesn't make you money. Having a website doesn't make you money. Having an automated system doesn't make you money. At some point, you need something to sell. So, what the heck am I selling? And where do those $900 and $1,400 sales you've heard me talk about actually come from? That's what we're talking about next in part 4. I'm going to break down the actual business in plain English. I'm going to show you what I mean when I say I got a business in a box, because I'm known for business in a box. What the digital programs are, why there are different choices, and how I can learn from the programs and earn from them, and where the money actually comes from when a customer buys. So go watch part 4. I'll see you there. How do you get paid? Because once you understand that piece, this whole picture is really going to start coming together. And I'll see you in part 4.